VEGA Antennas, the ultimate RAN coverage extension solution. Does your radio access network really provide good coverage everywhere? Does your broadband signal reach your rural customers? Must you install DAS in every large or VIP building? There is another solution. VEGA antennas can change all this. VEGA antennas are very high-gain, narrow-beam x-pol, low-side lobe parabolic dish antennas for cellular radio access networks. How does VEGA do it? By concentrating the signal in a focused narrow beam, like shining a spotlight. Omni antennas serve a circular area. Sector antennas concentrate their beam on a wide-angle sector. VEGA concentrates your base station or repeater signal into a powerful focused beam, providing good, reliable service where customers need it and at distances up to 50% greater than panel antennas. This simulation shows the radiation pattern difference between a standard panel antenna and a VEGA high-gain narrow beam antenna. VEGA covers long highways. VEGA antennas are widely used to extend and improve service on long highways with a minimum number of base stations. You can use an existing local base station to provide coverage to long stretches of highway. By adding VEGA antennas to the existing BTS, you will provide good quality of service to moving vehicles at greater distances from the towers, thus saving both CAPEX and OPEX. In order to provide voice and data service to passengers on trains, you need to provide service to long stretches of railway line. Installing VEGA antennas along the railway ensures a stronger signal with fewer towers than are needed with standard panel antennas. VEGA's narrow beam ensures seamless and interference-free GSM-R coverage. In this example, the VEGA installation covers both a railroad and a road running parallel to it. VEGA covers remote villages. RAN coverage of remote communities is both technically and economically challenging. It is possible to cover several remote communities from one existing tower on high ground just by adding a sector with a VEGA antenna, and by adding more sectors with VEGA antennas on the same tower, as can be seen in this picture that shows how VEGA antennas cover several remote communities from one tower. Mobile users in upper floors of apartment and office buildings can suffer from hard handoffs and dropped calls due to multiple strong signals from several nearby BTS. A VEGA antenna aimed at the building is the optimal solution. The narrow pencil beam of a VEGA antenna aimed at the upper floors from a nearby base station is the simplest, most cost-effective solution, providing a strong, dominant signal inside the building. Here can be seen a VEGA installation actually solving such a problem in a high-rise office building. VEGA antennas provide quality indoor coverage as well without the hassle and expense of installing and maintaining indoor repeaters and DAS systems. Here is an example of how a VEGA antenna saves the cost of installing and maintaining indoor DAS systems. VEGA antennas enhance 3G and 4G base station ERP and eliminate spatial interferences, thus enabling higher capacity and higher data rate to hotspots. VEGA improves repeater performance by providing a strong, interference-free signal when installed on repeaters covering long-distance targets such as highways or when covering remote villages with no line of sight from an existing base station. Why use VEGA with repeaters? VEGA antenna's high gain means lower oscillations. VEGA's narrow beam ensures less interference and noise, while VEGA's dual polarization provides an extra 3 dB of gain. Panel antennas offer limited offshore coverage. VEGA antennas installed on an onshore base station provide better service to maritime passengers, extending coverage of shipping channels by 50%. Island communities and offshore oil and gas platforms enjoy quality voice and broadband services just by implementing VEGA solutions. Comarcom designs, tests, and manufactures special antenna solutions for cellular radio access networks, serving the professional community of cellular radio access infrastructure. For more information, visit our website at comarcom.biz.